Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the GoBulb Solar Lights upgraded LED solar lamps, auto on off, durable and waterproof for landscape, patio, lawn, garden, pathways, flower beds, and home security in a 4-pack from GoBulb. Well, these are pretty slick. I've looked at some others that were really pretty crappy. But, they're pretty nice setup. A little bit more substantial than the other ones I've had out in the garden pathway. Some space. Have your stand-up tubes and spikes. Enough for 4. The individual heads are individually wrapped, and these come with a nickel metal hydrate battery. They're made out of ABS plastic, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, you can see this is a fairly large one, comparatively speaking. Twist, open. There's a little LED emitter. Our compartment. And this does come with a nickel metal hydrate battery. This is a 600 milliamp hour nickel metal hydrate battery. We'll just pop that baby in there. Put our little trap door back in. Snaps. Our cap system. In and spin. There we go. And your cap's put together. It's watertight. Good for rain, snow, sleet, hail, gloom of night, etc. Oh, it has an on-off switch. I forgot. Okay, we'll flip this baby on. It is a dusk to dawn. Nickel metal hydrate battery. Let's take a quick look here. And it is right up to the top. I did charge this battery to make sure it would have its full length of life. You never know how long it's been on the shelf. Rechargeable batteries are at a slight upgrade from regular batteries. Twist and lock. You can put it on the pole and make a little shorty one. Put them on your walkways out in the garden. See if the rabbits are out there eating your carrots, strawberries, raspberries. Very nice. Upgraded unit. And it does have Oh, I turned it back off again. It's not like extremely bright, but none of them are. Come on. Back in your little slot. There we go. Dusk to dawn. You're good to go. And these come in a 4-pack. It's just a handy little light. I'm real happy about that. Because it puts out, oh, maybe 3 times the light of the ones that I have on the pathway now. You don't trip on something walking up in the dark. And you got these nice little solar recharging jobbies. So the ones that are out there, the nickel metal hydrate batteries in them are about half and half. Some work and some just are worn out. And that's after 3 years. So for no more than it was, that's good stuff. Get one, I did, and I am darn happy with the GoBulb Solar Lights upgraded LED solar lamps, auto on, off, durable, waterproof for landscape, patio, lawn, garden, pathway, flower beds, and home security in the 4-pack. I like the black finish. Oh, if I might remind you, at the end trailer here in a few seconds, you'll see a little round picture in the upper left corner with my happy face on there, blowing a smoke ring. Click on that to subscribe, and that way you'll always know when the next best of everything comes up. You'll be ready for when we have drawings, yo, giveaway, free stuff. Subscribe. Thank you.